Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can compress videos on Capcut without losing the quality of that particular video. I've made a previous video on how you can use Handbrake to compress videos without losing the quality of that particular video. Now, if you go to that particular video, which I will drop the link of that particular video on this particular one, you will see how I detail the whole thing on how you go about compressing that particular video, and you get something that the quality will still be retained. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Capcut to do that. Before we get started, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified of when I upload new videos on this particular channel. To get started, let's assume you finished editing your videos on Capcut, just as this very one, and you hit on this export to kind of start exporting that particular video. For instance, this particular one that I wish to export, you can see the size of this particular video. It says 627 MB. If you look at this, you know that it's going to consume a whole lot. The data that is going to consume will be much more high. And so we need to have something that will be lower in size and the quality will still be retained. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, to do that, you can see this area where we have resolution. You're going to change this from this 4K to this particular one. You can select this 1080p or this particular 720p, but I recommend this 1080p. Now you can see the moment I selected it to that particular 1080p, you can see that the size has actually dropped. And so this is one way to reduce the size of this particular video without the quality being compromised. Then you can see this bitrate. You can see it is by default on recommended. So here now you're going to click and select lower. Once you select this lower, you also notice that the size has actually dropped as well. And so this is also another way you can also drop the size of this video without reducing the quality. Now I recommend you leave this at H.264 option. Leave it at that option, and under this format you see we have MP4, except if the format of this particular video that you're working on is MOV, you can select that particular one, and on this frame rate you can leave it at 30 fps. And the moment you are done doing all of these things, you can now hit on export, and you can see from what I showed you that the size has actually dropped and the video quality is still being maintained. You can play the video after you finish exporting it to compare with what you have, and you can drop for me a comment on the comment section on how your own experience went about reducing the size of your video on Capcut. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to always get notified of when I upload new videos on this particular channel. Thank you.